Good morning. We are here to present to you the convention plan. The title would be 9 NVSU Hospitality Management Convention. The theme would be Elevating Philippine Tourism through Collaboration and Sustainability. It will be held on April 11, 2025 at Bambang Auditorium. The participants would be NVSU Bambang BSHM student, PCP Bambang, NVSU Bayongbong, FSU BSHM students, Aldersgate BSHM students. The number of participants would be 500 packs from NVSU Bambang and 50 packs for NVSU Bayongbong, 50 packs for PCB, and 50 packs from FSU, 50 packs for Aldersgate College, with a total of 700 participants.
So for continuation, this is the objectives of our convention plan. Number 1 is to define sustainable hospitality and its key principle within the context of Region 2 tourism landscape. Number 2, to identify the economic benefits of sustainable hospitality practices in Region 2, including job creation, income generation, and community empowerment. And number 3 is to define sustainable tourism and its key principles within the context of tour guiding and operations. Number 4, identify the benefits of collaborative partnerships in the tourism sector for both businesses and communities. And number 5, define culinary tourism and its significance in the broader context of Philippine tourism. Number 6, discuss the role of culinary tourism in promoting Philippine culture and heritage. And lastly, develop critical thinking skills related to the sustainability and responsible development of culinary tourism.
This is the seminar topics. Number 1 is the sustainable hospitality, a key drivers of development in Region 2. Number 2 is the sustainable tourism partnership, collaboration, tour guiding, and operation. Number 3 is culinary excellence, cornerstone of Philippines tourism development. And this is the speaker, Fanny Beth Domingo, the DOT Cagayan Valley Regional Director, Mr. Romano Del Rosario, DOT Accredited Trainer. He is also Vice President of Luzon for Philippines Federation of Professional Tour Guides Association, currently and Executive Board members of the World Federation of Tourist Guide Association. Next is Jose Ramlo Villaluna, the DOT Accredited Trainer member of LTD Philippines Chef Association.
And this is the convention program. 7:30 to 8, registration. The person responsible is the event facilitator. 8 to 8:50, opening salvo. The person responsible is the event facilitators. 8:15 to 10:15 a.m., session 1. The person responsible is Fanny Beth Domingo. 10:15 to 10:30 a.m., snacks. The person responsible is the event facilitators. 10:30 to 12 a.m., session 2. The person responsible is Mr. Romano Del Rosario.
12 to 1 lunch break, the person responsibility is the event facilitators. 1 to 2:30, session 3, the person responsible is Jose Ramlo Villaluna. 2:30 to 3, open forum, the person responsible is the event facilitator. 3 to 3:30, snacks, persons responsible is the event facilitators. 3:30 to 4:30, workshop, the person responsible is Jose Ramlo Villaluna. 4:30 to 5, awarding of certificates and closings, the person responsible is the event facilitators.
That's all. Thank you and mabuhay.